Welcome viewer to our channel where we delve into the depths of history to uncover the mysteries behind significant global events. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the complex web of factors that led to one of the most devastating conflicts in human history, World War I. Section 1: Political Alliances and Rivalries. The Entente, or the Allies, were an international military coalition of countries led by France, the United Kingdom, Russia, the United States, Italy, and Japan against the Central Powers of Germany, Austria-Hungary, the Ottoman Empire, and Bulgaria in World War I, 1914–1918. Section 2: Nationalism and Imperialism. Imperialism is the practice, theory or attitude of maintaining or extending power over foreign nations, particularly through expansionism, employing both hard power, military and economic power, and soft power, diplomatic power and cultural imperialism. Imperialism focuses on establishing or maintaining hegemony and a more or less formal empire. While related to the concepts of colonialism, imperialism is a distinct concept that can apply to other forms of expansion and many forms of government. 5. Section 3: Militarism and Arms Race. An arms race occurs when two or more groups compete in military superiority. 1. It consists of a competition between two or more states to have superior armed forces, concerning production of weapons, the growth of a military, and the aim of superior military technology. Unlike a sporting race, which constitutes a specific event with winning interpretable as the outcome of a singular project, arms races constitute spiraling systems of ongoing and potentially open-ended behavior. Top arms exporters by country in Trend Indicator Values (TIV). The existing scholarly literature is divided as to whether arms races correlate with war. International relations scholars explain arms races in terms of the security dilemma, engineering spiral models, states with revisionist aims, and deterrence models. 4. Section 4: The Spark, Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand was one of the key events that led to World War I. Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria, heir presumptive to the Austro-Hungarian throne, and his wife, Sophie, Duchess of Hohenberg, were assassinated on the 28th of June 1914 by Bosnian Serb student Gavrilo Princip. They were shot at close range while being driven through Sarajevo, the provincial capital of Bosnia-Herzegovina, formerly annexed by Austria-Hungary in 1908. Conclusion: the main causes of World War I were alliances between countries, militarism, nationalism, imperialism, secret diplomacy, and internationalism. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary, by Gavrilo Princip in Bosnia is widely accepted as the outro. Thank viewer for joining us on this exploration of the causes of World War I. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on historical events and their lasting impacts. Until next time, remember to keep exploring, learning, and understanding the world around us.